In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an account in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect, so you can clean up your chart of accounts with confidence. Let's start at the beginning. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. It's a simple step, but it matters because your access determines what you can see and change. Make sure you're in the correct company file so you don't remove the wrong account in a different business. Once you're in, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. From the menu that appears, choose Chart of Accounts. Think of the chart of accounts as the master list of every bucket your money flows into and out of, like bank accounts, income categories, and expense categories. This is the place where you'll manage, organize, and, when necessary, delete accounts. Next, find the account you want to delete. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to narrow it down by name or type. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct account. Double check the account name and detail type so you don't accidentally remove the wrong one. When you've identified the right account, move across to the action column on that row, click the small drop-down arrow to see your options. From that menu, select Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm, and this is your chance to pause and be sure. If you're confident, confirm the deletion. This tells QuickBooks you intend to remove the account from your active list. Now, a quick but important note. If the account has transaction history, QuickBooks may not fully delete it. Instead, it will make the account inactive. That's by design, to preserve the integrity of your past reports and transactions. Making an account inactive removes it from your active list, so you won't use it going forward, but it keeps your historical data intact. Those past transactions will still show up in your reports, and your financial history remains accurate. That's all there is to it. Log in, open the chart of accounts from the gear icon, find the account, use the action dropdown to choose delete, and confirm. Remember, seeing an account become inactive instead of disappearing completely is normal when there's history tied to it. It's a safeguard to keep your books consistent. Thanks for watching. If you follow these steps thoughtfully, you'll keep your chart of accounts clean and your records dependable.